Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very important function of Google Sheets or Excel sheet that is called pivot function. Pivot is very useful for analyzing any kind of data which requires a calculation of averages, maximum, minimum, sum, total, etc. So this is a sample sheet I have, which is basically the sales figures of different appliances across different regions of the country sold by different sales representatives and the quantity and the worth of goods sold. So you have to read like there are 1,000 appliances or 1,000 TVs sold by Mr. John in the eastern region, whereas five iPads were sold by Miss Helly in the western region of the country. Now, to create the pivot table, just select the entire area for which you want to analyze. I have selected it. Go to data, go to pivot table. There's a pivot table function. Click on this new sheet, create. So I can name my sheet. This is sales. Now, suppose I want to see in rows the different regions of the country, and I want to see the total number of appliances sold across the different regions, across different categories. So it will just aggregate it. So you can see this, you can just rename the sheet total appliances sold. So there were 1,087 appliances sold in the eastern region across TV, fridge, and iPad. Now, suppose I want to see in eastern region what is the breakup of TV, fridge, and iPad. So in rows, since I want to put it in the rows itself, I'll go to rows, add appliance type. So underneath this, you see the eastern region fridge, 7 appliances were sold. iPad, 80 were sold. TV, 1,000. So total 1087. So if I remove this, suppose I remove it in. So total 1087. Now if I want to see the breakup, I just give it here. Now I suppose I want to remove this total numbers. I remove this total, I remove this total. So now we see the breakup. It's much more clean now. We can also paste is here by just clicking on repeat row levels. We can paste this information in any sheet that we would like to have. Now, so if you see, I'll just remove everything for simplicity. You can see there are four basic functionalities: rows, columns, values, and filters. So rows, if I want to just see the appliance type, number of appliances sold. So in rows, I'll have the appliance type, and in values, which is this say values, we will have the different this number of appliances sold. Now, suppose um, I want to see only numbers of eastern region and not anything else. So I want to filter the function basically. So I'll click on add against this filter button. I'll add region. So now you see there are 153 regions, 153 fridges sold across regions. I want to see only in the eastern region. So I'll just clear all east. So, fridge. 7 fridges were sold in the eastern region. 80 iPads were sold in the eastern region. 1,000 TVs were sold in the eastern region. Suppose I want to include two more regions, north and south. So this number 7, 8, and 1,000 will change. See, it has changed. We can also see the same information in values as well. Suppose I want to see this regional breakup. So here, this is a 2 by 2 matrix where in columns I've given region. So 2 by 2 matrix shows fridge, eastern region, 7 were sold. Fridge, northern region, 112 were sold. Now, this signifies the number of appliances sold. If I want to see the value of goods sold, I'll just you change the function. So here the function is number of appliances. See values, the function is number of appliances. I remove this and I want to see the sum total of goods and services. So I'll just click on sales USD. This shows the sum total of USD. I can use other functions like average. What is the average volume? Average value of goods and services sold. What is the maximum, max, minimum, etc. You can see. So you can play with all the regions of this pivot table to see data according to your need. So you just have to learn how to play with row, columns, values, and filters, and you can analyze this sales sheet or any other sheet in the universe in the way you want to. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.